Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to activate a Google Play gift card on an Android device, step by step. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Make sure you are signed in with the Google account where you want to add the gift card balance. Step 2. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Payments and Subscriptions, then tap Redeem Gift Code. This will open a field to enter your gift card code. Step 4. Scratch off the protective layer on the back of your physical card to reveal the 16-digit code, or copy the code from your digital card email. Step 5. Carefully enter the code in the provided field. Double-check for typos, as even a small mistake can prevent activation. Step 6. Tap Redeem to add the card balance to your Google account. You will see a confirmation message once the code is accepted. Step 7. Check your updated balance in the Payments Methods or Account Balance section to confirm the funds are available. You can now use your Google Play balance to purchase apps, games, movies, and more. That's it. Following these steps allows you to activate a Google Play gift card on Android quickly and securely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more simple and helpful step-by-step guides.